Let's explore unit testing with Jest, focusing on testing Node.js functions. You will learn how to write and run comprehensive unit tests for your Node.js applications using the Jest framework. Jest is a delightful JavaScript testing framework that requires zero configuration. It includes a rich set of matchers and an assertion library. To install Jest, you can use npm or yarn. For npm, run the command npm install --save dev jest. For yarn, use the command yarn add --dev jest. The basic Jest test syntax involves a describe block for the test suite name and a test block for individual test cases. Within each test, you'll typically have an arrange section to set up the data, an act section to execute the function, and an assert section to verify the result using expect. Here's an example of writing your first test. Consider a math.js file that exports two functions, add and multiply. The corresponding math.test.js file imports these functions and defines tests to verify their behavior. The test for the add function checks if 1 plus 2 equals 3, while the test for the multiply function checks if 3 times 4 equals 12. Jest provides a variety of matchers to assert different conditions. Equality matchers include toBe for primitive values and toEqual for object equality. String matchers include toMatch for regular expressions, toContain for substrings, and toHaveLength for string length. Array matchers include toContain for array elements, toHaveLength for array length, and toContainequal for objects within arrays. Exception matchers like toThrow are used to verify that a function throws an error. To run your tests, you can use the command npm test to execute all test files in your project. For automatically rerunning tests when files change, use npm test --watch. Jest provides test coverage reports to ensure comprehensive testing. Use the command npm test --coverage to generate a detailed coverage report for your codebase. Jest tracks metrics like function, line, branch, and statement coverage to help you assess the quality of your tests. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.